So pretty much just doing some work here in the back of the house on the shed, just preparing some tungsten. So I got this tungsten sharpener. That thing is so good. I just sharpened like about, we could say about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tungsten, and it took me about like less than 5 minutes. It's totally worth it. Just preparing some tools and materials in case I need to do some fabrication on the 240. I am planning to relocate my front mount intercooler attached to the bash bar. It's going to be a lot more rigid. So pretty much back with another video. Today is the next day. Nice out, 65, 70. Why can't you stay like that? So pretty much yesterday we pulled out the hood, we pulled out the bumper, cleaned up the garage, organized a couple of stuff in the back. So we want to be comfortable as possible. So we could call it the tear down part 2 of the 240. Pretty much missing fenders, intercooler, the whole front end. So before we start the tear down of the 240, I wanted to show you guys something that I got a while back ago. So pretty much this is the clutch for the R154 1J VVTI. This was shipped direct from Japan, and this is from Ogura Racing. Now this is the single hyper disc, pretty similar to the twin disc. It's just less aggressive, and it's just only one disc. This kit comes with everything that converts your R154 from pull type to push type. I don't know, really hard to work, but yes. And also I got a firming seal from Toyota. We got a whole bunch of stuff here. This is the throttle bearing. Everything is pretty much here. This is the disc, plates, the fork. I think the slate is over here too. Sick. Very nice quality of stuff. You can go wrong with them. So here's another masterpiece. This thing is so pretty. I pulled it out the other day and I can't stop looking at this thing. Look at this. Flawless quality. Damn, so gold. Has to be gold. Gold engine bay, gold motor, gold clutch, whatever. What else to be gold? Of course, the Toyota, you know, bearing. This is the pilot. Whoops. This is the flywheel bolts. So you guys ever wonder where is the pads? The pads is ready. Install it. I'm gonna have to pull this out just to put everything in. Oh my god. There is the pads. Sick, huh? Very nice. Okay, so pretty much the fenders are out. It's really dirty and filthy in here. Now it took me a little bit to pull them out, is because when I put the car together, I made them super safe. Even when it crashed, the fender stayed in place, you know, in one place, so which is great. I don't have to, you know, drag my fenders around the track and all that, you know. I pretty much bolted onto the OEM bolting place, which is here, 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 and also created a bracket here for the bottom, and also like right under there. Let me see if I can show you guys. It's quite dark in here. Alright, so yeah, here under the frame, you guys know that there's 2 bolts in there, so I zip tied them, and also I used 3M just to glue this on place. So the fenders was pretty tight. Here's the fenders. Looks really good. It's just very dirty. Need a wash. Gotta peel the camo out because we're doing another color. I haven't decided what color and what not yet, but I'm pretty sure I haven't decided on what color and what not. I'm pretty sure that I will keep you guys updated. Here's the damage. Show you guys in the previous video here, here, and also here. Pretty much we could just fiberglass it or bundle it and call it for the day. Keep it on the side. I'm already looking into some 75mm over fenders. They're really good. They're really dirty in here. Look at all that. Damn, all that rubber, you know, dirt, mud from the track and whatnot. And also here's all the wiring all tucked up on top. Before track days, nothing is cut, nothing is damaged. Same on this side. Alright, all the way up, all the way up, just to prevent, you know, rubbing with the tires, clearance issues. You guys know. So if you guys ever wonder what I did with the lower radiator support, now I custom fabricated this metal that replaced the OEM cheap metal. Very nice. Reinforced, bolt onto the frame. This size as well. Right? Reinforced, bolt onto the frame. Base plate to the frame. The plan is, once I have the motor out, I'm gonna actually close this as the box and reinforce it with base plates on the side. Pretty much box it and then create like a bolt-on system for my bash bar. I got some oil on the intercooler. Look at that. No good. Turbo no good. Also something that I want to share with you guys is something that I got from Unique Auto Creations. Pretty good stuff. They sell a lot of miscellaneous stuff, like, you know, speaker covers, like this part over here as well. This is very nice. This is actually a cover for your windshield wiper. So come in a plastic bag, well sealed up, right? And this little cover is like it's kind of sort of like a plastic material. There you go. This go actually plug and play into your wiper motor, and you know, make it look a lot cleaner. So you basically just unplug this. This is your wipers, right? Put this in. You got 2 bolts, right? Just to bolt it in place and plug your harness back, and that's it. The cover actually make your engine bay look a lot cleaner. You can actually paint it the color that you want as well. You know, it looks good. So finally took the J-pipe delete out. Damn, took me about like 20 minutes, I'm not gonna lie. It's very tight fit and there is very little space in here. I don't know how I put this in, but J-pipe's out and let's continue. So pretty much took a whole bunch of stuff out. J-pipe delete, intercooler piping, intercooler from bash bar, vacuum hoses, whole bunch of stuff. So here's the factory turbo from Toyota, JZ VVTI C15 small turbo. Turbo got tons of play. You guys hear that? It's crazy. That's why it's burning all that oil, huh? Bad. This thing probably gotta send out for rebuild. I'll probably keep it for my another car. What? That's a little surprise, guys. So I am planning to get another JZ, but it's not for this car. It's gonna be for another car. That's future plan. We're looking into, you know, projects and whatnot. So it's gonna be a little surprise.